How to verify your ConnectPaye account. As a financial service, we are required by regulators in all the markets we are operating in to submit valid KYC documents for each user before they have full access to our services. Clicking on the KYC button on your profile for the very first time, you will get a pop-up that detailedly explains all the steps you must follow during the KYC process. Step 1. Go to your profile settings and click on Update Profile. Upload a profile photo and update your profile information if not correct or missing. Make sure that your profile photo and information matches the information on your KYC document for instant verification. Step 2. Declare your source of funds by going to your profile settings and click on Update KYC. On the next page, scroll down to the Declare Source of Funds section at the bottom of the page. Click and select the option that matches your source of income, and you can also clearly provide more details in the box below if necessary. Click on Submit Declaration and proceed to the next step. Step 3. Click on the Verify KYC button in order to start the KYC process, and on the next page, click on Continue. Step 4. Select your country, document type, and click on Continue to proceed to the next page. Note that for most countries, we support either a valid national ID or passport, and for some countries, we may also support a valid driver's license or resident permit. Only original documents are accepted, no receipts. Step 5. Move to a well-lit environment and click on the button below to take a photo of the front side of your ID document. Follow the instructions to also take a photo of the back of your ID document. Make sure that the images taken are very clear and not blurry. Step 6. Find an area with good lighting and follow the instructions to take a selfie. Ensure to remove anything that covers your face and no glasses to prevent glare or reflection. If everything is correct with your KYC submission, verification is instant. Once your KYC is submitted, you will be redirected to your profile page where you can clearly check or view the status of your KYC, which can either be successful, meaning your submission has been successfully verified, decline, meaning it has been rejected, and you may need to start all over again. Ensure to follow all the steps to submit the right requirements. Note that if the KYC status is on review, you will have to wait for a manual review, which can take up to 24 hours depending on the situation. Hence, in this case, you may have to check back later if the manual process has been completed and the status of your KYC updated. After this manual verification, it can either be successful or decline. If decline, the reason will be clearly stated on your profile. If your KYC is successful, you will now have full access to all our services. Note that once your KYC verification is successful, you are not allowed to change any information on your profile, because once you change any information on your profile, you will be required to do the KYC verification again.